Hawaiian chicken spaghetti. Here's how I made it. Let me show you. Let's make our sauce for our Hawaiian chicken spaghetti. Sour cream, cinnamon, chili powder, nutmeg, just a little bit. Then mix salt and pepper. We have to try. We need more salt and pepper. Perfect. Then all of this pineapple chunks. Then add the 3 pieces of boiled chicken thighs that I flaked. Try again. So good. Mayonnaise. 1 ladle. While preparing the sauce, cook your spaghetti according to the manufacturer's direction until al dente. Okay, here's our spaghetti. Let's fluff it. Then let's pour over our sauce mixture. Then mix them all together very well. And this can be eaten cold or hot. Let's add some cheese. These cheese are the leftover of, those grated shredded cheese that sometimes if you put it in the refrigerator, they just clump into one big ball. So I try to save it, put it in the freezer, and then now is the time for me to use it. Okay, then garnish this with this cheese. And this will be yum yum. Then into the oven 375 until the cheese are melted. Here's our Hawaiian chicken spaghetti. Try it.